Let's discuss about an autoimmune disorder called as Bullous pemphigoid. This Bullous pemphigoid is an immunobullous disorder. In this condition, we find the tense bulla is seen. Whereas in case of Pemphigus vulgaris and Pemphigus foliaceus, we find the flaccid bulla. But in this condition, we find the tense bulla. And in this type, IgG type of autoantibodies are produced against the hemidesmosomes. Here the target protein is the hemidesmosomes and the target antigen is the BPAG2 and BPAG1. This condition it can occur equally among the men and women. And let's look at the lesions and the investigations which help in the diagnosis of Bullous pemphigoid. Bullous pemphigoid. This Bullous pemphigoid is an immunobullous disease, and here the IgG is the main autoantibody deposited against the target protein, that is hemidesmosomes. On the target antigen here are the BPAG2 and BPAG1. The autoantibodies which are produced are the type of autoantibodies produced is the IgG and C3. And the age group are the 60 to 80 years of age group people are affected. This condition equally occurs in case of males and females, and the sites of these lesions are trunk, abdomen, flexural aspects and extremities. And also oral lesions are also seen in the patients of Bullous pemphigoid, and the bulla which we see in this condition are the tense bulla. Whereas in case of Pemphigus vulgaris we see the flaccid bulla, and hence the bulla spread sign is positive. Whereas in case of Bullous pemphigoid we see the tense bulla. And let's see the investigations which help in the diagnosis. Zank smear and direct immunofluorescence. This direct immunofluorescence detects the autoantibody at the basement membrane zone, and the pattern we see is the linear pattern. Whereas in case of Pemphigus vulgaris we see fishnet pattern, whereas in case of Bullous pemphigoid we see linear pattern. And the treatment offered to the patients is the low dose oral steroid helps in the management of the patients with Bullous pemphigoid. Low-dose steroids are found to the mainstay of treatment for the patients of Bullous pemphigoid. This is in brief about Bullous pemphigoid, and thank you for watching.